यार बाल ठीक लग रहे हैं, कपड़े सही हैं, फ्रेम सही है, सब कुछ परफेक्ट होना चाहिए। पहली बार कुछ शुरू करने जा रही हूँ यार, नहीं पसंद आया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? लोग क्या कहेंगे? These three words have ruined so many relationships, so many dreams and a lot of mental peace. कुछ शुरू होने से पहले ही ड्रीम्स खत्म हो जाते हैं। Hello everyone, welcome to The Light. I am Shagun Katoj, a clinical psychologist and wellness coach. Let's talk about लोग क्या कहेंगे, which is fear of judgment. With a little bit of stories, little bit of examples, a lot of courage and a lot of understanding. Let's begin with where it comes from or how it started. Well, we all are aware of the Sharma ji's example जो हमारे parents ने कभी ना कभी बोला ही है. But apart from that, when you wore something different, when you spoke too loud, when you laughed fully, or maybe you cried in front of somebody, something like this came up. लड़कियाँ ऐसे नहीं करती, लड़के ऐसे नहीं रोते, चीज़ें ऐसे नहीं होती हैं. Stop shouting, stop, just sit down. And slowly approval became a need. हम perform करने लग गए instead of living. And this is called as social evaluative threat in psychology, which is a fear of being judged by others. Now let's focus on how it changes its shape now. For example, you want to say no to somebody or something, but you say yes ताकि वो rude ना लगे. You want to speak up in that meeting, but you second guess your choice. You want to pursue something else, but you feel लोग क्या सोचेंगे, and that blocks your mind. Now this fear slowly becomes your lifestyle. And you forget, are you living for yourself or for the committee of imaginary judges that you created? Today, I am going to break this cycle for you as well by making you understand a very small thing, but it holds a great value and a great understanding about why judgments come, why you have to be liked by everybody, or any such things. Number one is if somebody judges you, their judgment is not about you. It is all about how they are projecting their unresolved trauma or beliefs on you. It shows their insecurity. Always remember this thing. Okay, let's understand this from an example. For example, you are in a meeting and you stand up and you raise your voice about something, and a boss, a particular boss, says to you that just sit down, or maybe he just gives you a smirk or he just taunts you in some way. So you just shut down and you sit quietly. On the other hand, the other boss comes to you and says, do you want to tell me more about it? He listens to you. He understands what you are saying, and later on he explains to you how it can be worked through. So what do you think? कौन सा सिक्योर था, कौन सा इनसिक्योर था? हो सकता है कि जो फर्स्ट बॉस था, द जजमेंट दैट ही गिव टू यू केम फ्रॉम कि उसकी जो थिंकिंग है वो डिस्टॉर्ट हो गई, उसकी थिंकिंग के अगेंस्ट आपने कुछ बोल दिया. And the second one was so secure about himself, was so secure about his position or his aura that he came to you and made you understand this thing.
And the second one is perception. It is about their perception and not about you.
Let's say यहाँ पे एक मग है जो white है. You like white and I don't like white. Your perception comes as, oh, this is so peaceful. I love the white mug. I love कि यहाँ पे कैसे रखा हुआ है, etc. etc. And on the other hand, I will constantly say, इसको यहाँ से हटाओ. It's irritating me. I am just not liking the white thing because it reminds me of something really bad. Now tell me, इसमें इस मग की क्या गलती है? We both are making perceptions, एक positive, एक negative. But is the mug changing its shape or maybe just changing its position for us? No. So always remember that you don't have to change yourself just so that everybody will like you, because that is a myth. Not everybody will like you and not everybody will hate you. बस जो आपके बिलीव्स, जो आपके वर्ड्स, जो आपके पैशन से मैच करेंगे वो लोग आपके साथ आएंगे. जो नहीं करेंगे they will stay separate. Not everybody will like you, and that is absolutely normal, and you don't have to change a thing about yourself. I am going to share some prompts with you कि जब भी ऐसा thought आए तो क्या करें. Number 1, ask yourself, whose voice is this? ये किसकी आवाज़ है जो मुझे बोल रही है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? Parents, society, boss, or whose voice actually it is. सबसे पहले you have to figure out what do you want. You have to stay confident in your vision, your goal, and then ask yourself कि ये जो लोग कहेंगे कि ये आवाज़ है वो आ कहाँ से रही है. It will help you a lot in understanding कि कैसे हम इस साइकिल को तोड़ें. Number 2, practice micro courage. इसमें हमें क्या करना है कि जिस भी चीज़ से हमें डर है about this particular fear of judgment, we need to move towards it डे बाय डे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस, बट घर वाले बोल रहे हैं या सोसाइटी बोल रही है कि नहीं यार इंजीनियर ही ठीक थे, नहीं यार डॉक्टर ही ठीक थे, जॉब करो, बिजनेस खोलने का क्या मतलब है. सो वॉट यू कैन डू इज़, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द फर्स्ट डे यू कैन जस्ट डिसाइड कि मुझे बिजनेस करना ही करना है, एंड स्टार्ट रीडिंग अबाउट इट ऑन डिफरेंट सोर्सेज सो दैट यू गेट एन आइडिया कि कैसे शुरू कर सकते हैं. Second day, you can plan a blueprint about what you want, what you expect, etc. Third day, you can talk to lawyers, to CAs, whoever is going to help you with that business. And that's how daily you are going to work against your fear and build courage day by day. Number 3, reframe the fear. Asking you to simply take out a journal, एक डायरी खोलो, उसमें अपना थॉट लिखो अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर फियर ऑफ जजमेंट या लोग क्या कहेंगे, एंड आफ्टर दैट reframe it. For example, fear आया, what if they laugh? So you reframe it as, what if this frees me? What if I get freedom when I do it? Even when people don't like it, I will meet myself at a point. Start reframing it और उसको पढ़ना शुरू करो डेली बेसिस पे. It is going to clear your mind very nicely. Number 4, when nothing works out, therapy helps. अब मत सोचना लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्योंकि कहते हैं ना कि लोग तो ये सोचेंगे कि पागलों के डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे हो. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. वी हैव अंडरस्टूड अ लॉट, वी हैव लर्नड अ लॉट. Move ahead in your life, take therapy whenever needed, because it is going to help you to get a lot of insights that nobody can give you, not friends, not families, because therapy gives you neutral space where you can just grow freely, where there are no judgments and you can just develop yourself. If you have ever struggled with this or you are still struggling with this, comment below. I choose my voice now. You weren't born to fit in, you were born to be free. This is me, Shagun Katot, signing off, and take care everybody. I'll see you in my next video.